Assalamualaikum. Today me and Arisa will be presenting about personal financing by Bank Islam. Bank Islam Personal Financing is a Sharia-compliant financing solution based on the Tawarruk concept, providing an ethical alternative to conventional loans by eliminating interest, which is riba. These versatile facilities support various needs including education expenses, medical bills, debt consolidation, home renovation, and also travel. Customer can choose for three trailer options. First, the personal financing package offers competitive rates for government and GLC employees with loans up to RM300,000. Second, for the non-package option, serve private sector workers earning at least 4,000 monthly, while the professional program caters to high-income professionals like doctors or engineers with enhanced limit up to RM500,000. All options require no collateral and feature flexible tenure, which is up to RM12 years for professionals, making them accessible while adhering to Islamic principles. Whether funding education, renovating a home, or consolidating debts, this package provides structured Sharia-compliant solution for a diverse financial goals. Now let's talk about Tawarruk, the foundation of this financing product. Tawarruk is an Islamic financial concept that allows individuals to obtain cash without engaging in interest-based transaction. It is based on buying and selling commodities and fully Sharia compliant. This structure is meticulously designed to avoid riba, with every transaction backed by real asset and clear contract, which is akad, approved by Bank Islam Sharia Advisor Council. Whether you are consolidating debts, funding education, or preparing a wedding, Tawarruk ensures your financial needs are met in a halal manner, combining practically with ethical compliance. To better understand Tawarruk, let's break it down step by step. First, bank purchase commodity, which is Bank Islam buys a commodity such as precious metal from the market. Second, sells to customer, which is the bank sells this commodity to you at a higher price payable in installment. Third, customers sell for cash. You immediately sell the commodity to a third-party broker for cash at marketplace. And the last one is repayment, which is you repay the bank in monthly installment over the agreed tenure. Let's look at the example. Imagine you need RM50,000. The bank buys metal worth RM50,000 and sell it to you for RM60,000, which is at a deferred payment. You sell the metal back to the market for RM50,000 cash. Over time, you repay the bank RM60,000 in installment. This process ensures liquidity while strictly adhering to Islamic principles, making it a viable alternative to conventional loans. Bank Islam has established clear eligibility requirements for its personal financing products to ensure responsible financing while catering to diverse customer segments. For the personal financing package, applicants must be Malaysian citizen aged 18 years old or older with a minimum monthly income of 2,000 extending up to RM8,000 for larger financing amount above 300,000. Government employees and staff of selected public listed company enjoy preferential terms under the package. The professional programs target high-income professionals like doctors, engineers, and accountants, requiring a minimum basic salary of RM4,000, RM5,000 for certain professions, and extending of RM15,000 for financing above RM300,000, with applicant needing to be at least 25 years old. Meanwhile, the non-package options serve private sector employees with a higher income threshold of RM4,000 monthly and requires employment with established organization. All packages share common requirements including Malaysian citizenship, income documentation, and the applicant age not exceeding retirement at the loan maturity. This structure criteria ensure that financing is accessible to qualified individuals while maintaining the bank's risk management standards and commitment to Sharia principle. The varying requirement across package allow Banks Islam to serve different market segments, from young professionals starting their careers to established experts in their fields, all through the ethical framework of Islamic finance.
There is three strands of Bank Islam personal financing. The first one is Sharia compliant based on tawarruk. The financing follows Islamic principle using the tawarruk concept, which involve buying and selling commodities to avoid interest. It is suitable for Muslim customers who want to avoid conventional loan that charge interest. Supervised by the Bank Islam Sharia Advisory Council, giving peace of mind regarding religious compliance. The second point is no guarantor or collateral required. Borrowers don't need to pledge asset like property or find a guarantor, reducing the barrier to entry. This is helpful, especially for younger borrowers or those without significant personal asset. The last point is optional takaful protection. Takaful Islamic insurance is offered to cover outstanding financial in case of death or total permanent disability. It will protect your family from inheriting your debt, or though optional, it is recommended for financial security. Bank Islam also had their own weakness, which the first one is strict eligibility criteria. It is requires a stable source of income, often with at least 3 monthly slip, and minimum gross income requirement typically around 2,000 until 3,000 per month. And it may not be suitable for freelancer or self-employed individuals. The second point is early settlement fee or limited rebates. If you settle the loan early without taking takaful, you may not receive a full rebate on the remaining profit, which unearned profit. This can reduce the financial benefit of early repayment. However, under Bank Negara Malaysia guidelines, some portion of the rebate must still be given. The last point is lower processing and disbursement time. Compared to digital lenders like Aeon Credit or Touch and Go Digital Loan, Bank Islam approval and disbursement process may take several days to weeks, and it is required manual submission of document like copy of IC, latest 3-month salary slip, and EPF statement or employment verification. In conclusion, Bank Islam personal financing is a great Sharia compliant loan option for government workers and anyone looking for Islamic financial solution. Its pros are that it doesn't require collateral, offer huge loan amount, flexible repayment terms, and set interest rate for some package. The financing is structured under tawarruk, making it full aligned with Islamic banking principle. However, the product does have some drawbacks, particularly for private sector employees who may face higher profit rates and stricter eligibility requirements. Additionally, their processing time and lack of full digital application convenience may not appeal to customers looking for instant or hassle-free approvals. Based on my recommendation, Bank Islam personal financing is highly recommended for government employees or those working in JLCs due to preferential profit rate and approval terms. Next, for Muslim customer seeking Sharia compliant personal financing aligned with Islamic value, and the last one is borrower who value fixed, predictable monthly payments and long repayment tenures. However, potential applicants, especially from the private sector, should compare with other providers like Bank Rakyat, Aeon Credit, or Maybank to ensure they get the best profit rate. By consider their loan urgency, as Bank Islam may take longer than digital lenders to disburse funds, and to ensure they review the early settlement terms and take takaful if long-term protection is desired.